I can't believe mouth taping almost offed my sister in her sleep. People have claimed mouth taping to be an effective way to stop snoring, but it's extremely dangerous. Once we switched over to using this nose clip, we saw a major difference. As soon as you put this on, this applies a gentle pressure to your septum, which opens up your nasal passage. This allows oxygen to flow at a much higher rate. Not only does this stop people from snoring, but it clears up any nasal congestion. If you or someone you know needs this, make sure to check out the link in the bio.